Today we are going to install YouTube app in laptop for Windows 10. Now when we go to Microsoft Store and type YouTube, we don't find the application here. So we are going to try another method. Let's get started. Open any browser, type youtube.com. Now click on the top 3 dots on the top right corner. You'll get an options app. Click on it. Then click on install YouTube. Now go to desktop and you will find YouTube. If not, then search in the Windows search bar. That's it. Thanks for watching.